Hello again. An exceptional hot spell is on the way later this week, but you wouldn't think it given Wednesday's weather. It's going to be largely cloudy. It will be damp for many places. And Tuesday actually ends with wet weather across Scotland, particularly western Scotland. By the end of the day, 100 mils over the hills and a yellow warning in force, risk of disruption. But the rain does ease across Scotland and Northern Ireland overnight, whilst it increases across northwest England and it arrives into northern and western Wales, along with a brisk wind and gales around exposed coasts and hills. The rain doesn't reach southern parts of the country, and actually the north of Scotland largely dry overnight with some clear spells. But for most it's a cloudy night, it's a breezy night, and it's a muggy night as well. 16, 17 degrees in many places, even as temperatures drop to their lowest point by dawn. Some sunshine, a slice there across central parts of England into the southwest and more especially the north of Scotland for the first thing Wednesday. But for many it's cloudy and it will be, well, damp once again, especially northern England and then later into southern and central Scotland. The rain turning more showery for Northern Ireland as well as the northwest of Scotland, but it turns up once again into Wales and the southwest by the afternoon following a dry start. Again, a brisk breeze in the west, but for northern Scotland as well as the east of England, staying largely dry, and there will be some sunshine. East Anglia in the southeast doing best for sunshine, and temperatures responding as a result. A warmer day to come compared to Tuesday, 27, perhaps even 28 Celsius if there is enough sunshine. Elsewhere, high teens, low 20s. It's not cold, but it won't feel particularly pleasant given the wind and the rain. Heading into Wednesday evening then, and the rain in the west transfers its way east. It turns to showers more than persistent spells of wet weather, and it largely fizzles out after midnight. You can see most places turning drier, but a legacy of cloud remains, and this cloud will be low. It will cover some hills and coasts and so on. There will be some clear spells developing across Scotland and Northern Ireland, and actually it will be a bit cooler here, 12 to 14 degrees, but elsewhere mid to high teens. A muggy night once again. Some brightness first thing, especially for Scotland, for Northern Ireland, and a slither there for parts of East Anglia into, say, the Midlands, central southern England. But otherwise, a lot of cloud cover once more on Thursday. Low cloud at first, a grey start to the day, and we keep the cloud in many places heading into the afternoon, perhaps giving one or two showers for Wales and the southwest. You wouldn't rule out the odd shower elsewhere, for example, but actually, for most, Thursday's looking drier and a little brighter compared to Wednesday. Scotland doing well there, the north of Scotland and the far southeast as well. Despite the cloud, temperatures are rising for many places, but especially in the southeast. A sign of things to come for Friday because, and this is where it gets really quite exceptional actually. We don't see many days like this in the British summer weather. We're going to see a spell of very hot weather emanate from the south, waft up, and give widely temperatures in excess of 30 degrees across much of England and East Wales. A little cooler there in western Scotland and Northern Ireland as a weather front arrives and introduces some showers or even some thunderstorms. But yeah, the focus for the heat there across the southeast of England, where temperatures in some places could reach 36 degrees or even possibly a little bit higher. So some extreme weather about over the next few days, some significant contrasts across the country. And you can follow all the very latest on social media. Bye-bye.